Welcome to 5 Island View Way in Seabright. It's part of the Island View complex. This is unit number 11. It is, the unit number is number 5, and it's the smallest unit in here. It's a 2-bedroom, which is unusual because most of the units in here are 3 bedrooms. So it's really a great opportunity for someone for a beach house or a getaway spot, or just someone who's downsizing and they don't need more than 3 bedrooms. It's close to town, it has beach access, there's a tennis court and a pool. On the first floor, there's 1 bedroom. The doorway into the garage is located right here. It's nice for rainy days or snowy days to be able to have direct access into the house. There's a hall closet immediately here on the left. The woman that currently is here uses this as a guest room. There is a large closet immediately on the left. And there's a sliding glass door that leads out to a little terrace area or a patio area. There's a full bathroom here. Just a little shower is tucked in there. Might be the smallest full bathroom I've ever seen, but it's functional. So let's go upstairs to the 2nd level. It's a nice open floor plan. The master bedroom is on the 3rd floor, and it's an open loft area. This is the 2nd level. There's a sliding glass door that leads to a fiberglass deck. Fireplace, fieldstone fireplace. And it is a gas fireplace. This person has it set up as a living room, but it could be a living room, dining room combination. You can see that there's 2 little openings into the kitchen area. You can see the half bath down the hall. The staircase leads to the master bedroom. Let's step back a little bit so you can see that it is a loft style bedroom. You could close that off if you wanted to. Let's take a look outside to show you what the view is. So I'm standing on the deck right now. The swimming pool is located off to the right here, and the tennis court is directly behind this complex. There's a gas line here on the deck, so if you wanted to have a barbecue grill, you can do that. They do not allow propane or charcoal barbecues, but they do, if you have the gas line, then you can have a gas grill. There's hardwood floors on this level. Let's walk into the kitchen area. It's a great kitchen. Electric stove, dishwasher, nice little eating area. And this is the view from the kitchen. You can just catch a glimpse of the Shrewsbury River from here. Some people like to do stand-up paddle. The floor is a tile floor. You have a ceiling fan and recessed lights. Let's take a peek in the half bath. nicely updated, lots of natural light. Let's go upstairs where the master is. Don't forget you also have the bedroom on the first floor. There's a walk-in closet here, as well as another additional closet and a full attached or full entry into the full bathroom. Here's the bathroom. Turn on some lights here. It's a single sink vanity. You could possibly make that into 2 sinks. It looks like there's enough room. You'd have to